Hello, Joan of Arc here. Let's do another short Ilonggo video tutorial, and this is pertaining to the emotion of sadness. I'm sad because Pipo hasn't come home. So he's not here, he's not around, he's been missing for several days and he's not here. One thing, he could be just around hanging out with a girl, or number two, he could have been accidentally killed, and number three, he could have been killed purposely for food. Sad to say, some people do eat dogs. They call it aso sena, meaning aso is Tagalog word for dog. Or I've recently heard the more modern term is adogbo. So it's a dog adobo. Well, we've been condemning certain people in China eating exotic animals for their meat. But sadly, it does happen here in the Philippines also, especially here in Negros, in my island. Some people do eat that, and I don't think it's going away for quite some time, for years. So it's been the practice. With regards to dogs, what they do is they capture dogs, and this is not the area, by the way, where dog pounds capture stray dogs. Our dog is not stray, he has a home, and even then, for dogs who have homes, and even dogs on a leash, some people just do catch them in spite being on a leash and not in a cage. Anyway, so yes, our free-range dog is missing, still hoping that he's just hanging out somewhere, and the best that we can hope for is if he's attracted to some girl that he's just fine. But if not, he's fine in dog heaven, and I'm okay with that too. He's an old dog. I could have lost him to a disease, which was more heartbreaking, but that's what my dogs usually do when they're near the end of their lives. They just go missing. So yeah, nadula, dula. We're still giving 2 weeks, and after that, if he's not back in 2 weeks, so this is now the first week, if he's not back in 2 weeks or the next week, he's gone. Wala na gid siya. Wala. Oh, I'm perspiring. Look at that. Perspiration, meaning balhas. It's pretty warm here. Ginot. Yes, it's pretty warm and I'm perspiring. So the perspiration is balhas. Okay, time for us to go, Pacit and I. So, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Wala na si Pipo, hindi.
Yeah, so, yes. Ano gani, Pacit?
Wala na si Pipo. Wala na si Pipo.
Yeah, so, okay.
Wala na si Pipo, kay nadula na yung kao na mga tao na guro, kay wala nakapuli. Na, kay lagawan mangkag. Hindi siya kalambot. Nagpangita sa ngayon na pangsawahon. Te, wala ko mimo.
Ay, sige. So that's Pacit taking over my vlog. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Perhaps next time it's gonna be Pacit hosting the entire vlog. Bye for now.